Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to manage client revisions smoothly using artboards in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and enable artboards because revisions demand control, not chaos. I create a main artboard for the approved design and duplicate it for every new revision. I name them Revision 1, Revision 2, Revision 3, slowly, clearly, so nothing gets lost. There is a calm confidence here. When the client asks to compare old and new ideas, I don't rush. I pause, zoom out, and show all artboards together. This silence speaks professionalism. Each artboard tells a story of progress. I adjust colors, text,